Hello friends, today we'll understand class 6 chapter 1 knowing our numbers exercise 1.2. Third question. In an election the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,7,000 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? To find what margin the successful candidate win the election, so simply what we have to do, we have to subtract 3,48,700 from 5,77,500. So we'll get the what margin the successful candidate win the election. For this, what I will write? Firstly, I will write the successful candidate candidate votes equal how many? 5,77,500. The nearest rival votes how many? 3,48,700. To get what margin the successful candidate win the election, for this what we have to do, we have to subtract 3,48,700 from 5,77,500. 3,48,700 from 5,77,500. So we'll get the what margin the successful candidate won the election. For this, the margin votes successful candidate win the election equal to what is that? 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700 is nothing but 2,28,800. So the margin votes are 2,28,800. Thank you.